In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default sending email in Outlook. If you use more than one email account in Outlook, setting a default sender helps ensure new messages go out from the address you expect. I'll walk you through both the classic Outlook app and the new Outlook for Windows, and share a couple of simple tips so things behave the way you want. Let's start with the classic Outlook app. Open Outlook, then head to the File menu. Choose Account Settings, and then select Account Settings again from the drop-down. In the Email tab, you'll see a list of your accounts. Click the account you want to make your default. When you set it, it moves to the top with a checkmark. Click Set as Default, and then Close to confirm. To make sure new messages always use that default, go back to the File menu and open Options. In the Options window, select Mail. Scroll down to the Send Messages section and check the box that says Always use the default account when composing new messages. Click OK to apply it. For the change to take full effect, restart Outlook. After it reopens, new emails should automatically use your chosen default account, which helps avoid sending from the wrong address by accident. Now, for the new Outlook for Windows. Click the Settings gear in the top right, then select Accounts, and choose Email Accounts. From there, pick the account you prefer. Some versions let you move your preferred account to the top of the list, which makes it act like the default. If you don't see a full default option, use the From drop-down when you compose a new email as a quick and reliable way to control which address sends the message. It's a handy habit that keeps you in control if the app hasn't fully adopted a default setting yet. Once you've made your choice, restart the app to make sure everything updates. In the new Outlook, certain default behaviors may also sync from your Microsoft account settings over time, so you might notice the app honoring your preference after a short while. That's it. Thanks for watching.